clickbait. Korean movies are in trend, isn't it? So why not bring Korean cuisines also in trend? Hi, this is Aarti Gupta here, and today I'm here with a Korean inspired bread recipe, and the name of the recipe is Korean garlic bread. So let's have a look at the ingredients. Flour, cream cheese, unsalted butter, yeast, milk powder, sugar, salt, baking powder, condensed milk, mayonnaise, garlic, dried parsley, fresh cream, warm water. So let's begin. So we will add flour to the mixing bowl, milk powder, yeast, salt, sugar, baking powder. Now we will mix this. To this we will add the fresh cream. Mix the cream. To this we will add the warm water. Now we will prepare a soft dough. Once your dough is ready, you can see the fine granules of sugar in the dough. Now what we will do is, we will take this dough on a flat surface and we will knead the dough until the sugar granules is completely mixed with the flour. So we will knead the dough until we get a very smooth skin texture of the dough. So now you can see our dough has started coming together and it has formed a nice skin on top of it. So now what we will do is, we will tuck in the sides and form it into a ball. So we will take a bowl and we will grease the bowl with some amount of butter. We will grease the bowl with butter, and now we will apply some butter on top of the dough, and we will pick this and place this in the greased bowl, and we will cover it with cling wrap and allow it to proof until doubled in size. It will take about 1.5 hours to double in size. So here you can see our bread dough has doubled in size. So let's knock the air out. Let's take out the bread on the surface. Knead it for 2 minutes just to take out the air. And again shape it into a smooth ball. Now we will divide this dough into 6 portions. So let's divide it. Divide it into equal 6 portions. And again shape it into a soft ball by tucking the edges inside. Like this. So once you have shaped your bun, place it on a parchment paper. Keep some distance between 2 buns. After placing the bun on the parchment paper, we will give it a milk wash. After giving it a milk wash, we will place a cling wrap on top of it and allow it to rise for the second time. The second rise will take around 20 to 30 minutes. So here our bun has risen, doubled in size. So now what we will do is we will remove the cling wrap and we will preheat the oven at 200 degrees, both the rods on, and we will milk wash the buns. Now let's place this bun in the preheated oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So here our bun is ready and out of the oven. Now we will allow it to cool down completely at room temperature without covering. Let's prepare the cream cheese filling. So we will grate some garlic. To this we will add our room temperature soft cream cheese and room temperature mayonnaise. So now we will blend this all together until nice and creamy. So here you can see our garlic cream cheese is ready. So let's take out the cream cheese filling in the piping bag. So here our cream cheese filling is ready. Let's make the garlic butter sauce. So first we will melt our butter. So here we have our melted butter. To this I will add my room temperature condensed milk. To this we will grate some fresh garlic. And some dried parsley. Now we will give it a good mix. And our garlic butter sauce is ready. Our bun has cooled down completely. Let's move to the further process. So now we will keep everything ready. The cream cheese filling, the butter sauce filling and the bun with a knife. Now let's slit the bun into 6. So we just have to cut it open. So after cutting open the bun, we will fill the cream cheese filling in the cuts. See to it that while filling your bun with the cream cheese, you don't break the bread. Now we will apply the butter sauce. Generously apply the garlic butter to all the bread, all over. Now we will place this inside the oven at 160 degrees for 10 minutes. Korean garlic bread is out of the oven and ready to be enjoyed. So let's take it out on the plate. Oh yum, the heavenly smell. Come closer and have a look in the delicacy. Wow, just have a look at the cheesy goodness. Can you see the steam coming out of the cheese bun? Wow, it's super yum. I'm gonna taste it. I am going to gobble one more. It is too yum, too creamy, too delicious. You go and like, share and comment on the videos and do let me know how did it turn out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tag us on our Instagram page. Link to the Instagram page will be given down in the description box below. Till then, see you. Bye-bye.